about the application of recombinant DNA technology. पहला interferon for hepatitis B vaccine and hormonal insulin. Interferon basically the natural substance होता है that helps to boost the immunity and fight against the viral infection. It effective against the treatment of infection like influenza, hepatitis. Large number of interferons are being used for gene cloning, that is introducing recombinant DNA of the interferon and producing by gene cloning, that is introducing DNA for interferon. लाइक इंटरफेरॉन का जो डीएनए है, जीन है, वो इकोलाई में डालकर उसको मल्टीपल रेप्लिकेशन करवा देते हैं, उसके मल्टीपल प्रोडक्शन विल डू. Now the interferons exhibit the antiviral activity and anti-proliferative activity and may effective against the immune system. The types of interferons are broadly grouped into three types: interferon alpha for leukocyte, interferon beta fibroblast, interferon gamma lymphocyte. Now the viral, as we know that the mechanism is studied in this, the virus infect the cell or the bacteria, any cell, then it activates it produces a new viral particles. As viral infect the cell A, it produces various antiviral factor, and this leads to activation of interferons. Now cell A will release the interferon factors, and it will binds to the interferon receptor of this other cell B, and now due to this the signals goes to the and antiviral protein synthesis occur, then virus gets destroyed. Now cell A do two functions: release of interferons and inhibition of the intercellular replication. Now interferon alpha used in treatment of hepatitis B and C infection. Interferon beta INF beta is used in treatment of multiple sclerosis and autoimmune disorder. Interferon beta is like fibroblast. Then